Hello everyone, we are here at the DyeMansion booth at Formnext 2019, and now we are taking a tour around the show and show you some nice applications, hopefully, that were finished with our technology. Let's see what we can find. Follow me. We are here at the FORMRISE booth. It's a well-known German service provider for 3D printed parts and products. This is Peter, managing director at FORMRISE and a friend of our company as well. So as you can see, some beautiful printed and finished parts, all done at FORMRISE. They use the full DyeMansion technology.
Yes.
So Peter, let me know, what do you like about our collaboration?
So we have a very long relationship together. We have developed some applications together, and it's also like a kind of a network.
Yep.
So there is a connection between our companies. We are bringing customers together, and that's the things we like to work with companies where we can really be in contact. We like to work together with the DyeMansion.
Yeah, and the great thing is that our solution always sets up on the actual print. So if you have a bad printing quality, we can't do any magic. So this is why we really appreciate the printing quality of FORMRISE, because they absolutely know how to print parts. Peter,
thank you.
Thank you very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Stay here.
Let's head over to the next booth. Bye-bye. So this is the next step of our Formnext tour. We are right here at the 3T Additive Manufacturing booth. And I think I'm gonna pick up my new car, which we can see over here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm meeting here with Fred. Hi Fred, thanks for having me here.
Yeah, no problem.
Fred is responsible for the polymer production at 3T Additive Manufacturing, and he is also using our technology at 3T. So let me know, what do you like about the cooperation you have with DyeMansion?
Well, the new automotive black that you have developed really helps us enable new applications within the automotive industry.
Okay.
Specifically, the UV resistance and the heat resistance allows us to open up a lot more markets with them. Yeah.
Great. So you have a lot to do with automotive applications.
Oh yeah.
What besides are you working with at 3T at the moment? So in particular?
In particular, we work a lot with the medical industry and polymers, and also the consumer. Yeah. So we are featuring other examples of applications on our booth. They utilize the DyeMansion technology as well.
Very nice. I mean, this is what it's all about, having great production partners and also the accurate post-processing technologies. This is how we can get AM on the streets, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Fred, thanks for having me, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Yeah,
bye-bye. We are here at FKM Sintertechnik, a very big service provider based out of Germany, one of the biggest in Europe, I guess. And here we can see a lot of different colored parts. FKM is also one of our customers, one of the first customers that used the DM60 back in the days, which was quite a success for us. And for example, they are able to dye parts in this beautiful orange in their facilities. So that's it from here. A lot of nice looking parts. Let's go to the next one. So next up here is the Siemens booth at Formnext, and what we can see over here is they are showcasing a new tool which helps for planning the AM production of the future. And what I saw is
send you the references for that addition. It's not part of
that they actually 3D printed our machines. This one is the DM60, and this one is the PowerFuse S system. So really happy to have those 3D printed on the AM factory planning at Siemens. To show what Farsoon Technologies is capable of. This is the material presenter you present every year. So I see some parts finished with our technology as well. Those colorful parts over here. So Dirk Simon, he is Managing Director of Farsoon Europe. How do you like our technologies?
Yeah, I like the technology very much, and especially the collaboration between Farsoon and DyeMansion. And because these colors, this is Farsoon color, was an easy color match done by DyeMansion. And these are really brilliant colors with the new vapor fuse technology of DyeMansion. This is also looking very good, and this we produced in few days. It was very easy collaboration, bringing some samples and then having done it.
We always call it rapid manufacturing, and this is rapid, I would say, right?
Yes, right.
Dirk, thank you very much for your time and have a good show. We are here at 1:1 Prototypen, a very well-known service provider based out of Austria. They are famous for their high-class prototyping and production services in 3D printing. And yeah, I'm here with Dominik.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That's a very interesting shake hands. So yeah, 1:1 Prototypen, they are also using the DyeMansion technology in Austria. And yeah, Dominik, maybe you can say a few words what you like about the cooperation between 1:1 and DyeMansion.
Yeah, we have a very good cooperation with DyeMansion, also with EOS and all parts, also the black parts and the standard parts are made with the DyeMansion.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you use it every day, basically,
yes.
the DyeMansion technology?
Yeah. Yeah, we have 24 hours, 7 days.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, so it really helps you for industrializing your manufacturing.
Not only for the prototypes, also for the series.
Okay.
We take the DyeMansion.
Very good to hear, Dominik. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the rest of the show and see you soon. That's it from 1:1. Let's go to the next one. Follow me. Okay, last but not least, we are here at the EOS booth, at our partners, friends, you name it. And let's see what we can find over here. As always, it's busy, so I will try to make my way through. So yeah, where do we want to start? Let's move here. So what we can see over here is some colored parts. Those were printed on the new EOS process called fine detail resolution. It's really impressive what they managed to do. Of course, if you have those fine details, it's very good for us to achieve good coloring result and also a nice surface quality. So this is really, really cool. This one here. Yeah, this transport box is around for quite more time now. It's used for transporting like cartridges from one point to the other, basically. It's finished with our new technology, the vapor fuse surfacing process we just introduced to the market. And yeah, it's good to see that we can find some nice parts here at the EOS booth as well. Who's that guy?
Now it's in the sense of 2020.
So yeah, that was it. That was the Formnext Tour 2019. We saw quite a lot of different applications, different colors, different surface finishes. I really hope you enjoyed the show. We are back at the mansion, back to work, and see you next year. Goodbye.